Hello Minecraft fans! In today's video I'm going to show you how you can play Minecraft Bedrock Edition on your Quest 2 headset. With this tutorial I'm also going to give a workaround to the problem that Minecraft VR client was removed from Oculus Store. So make sure to stick around for the whole video, and without further ado, let's get started. In this method you're going to use your Quest 2 as a PC VR headset. This means that you will have to have a decent gaming PC that is able to run VR games. The minimum requirements to run Oculus Link or Air Link, which are the main two PC VR methods, are listed in this table. The most crucial part is that your PC should have a dedicated GPU, otherwise VR is just not an option for you. The setup for Oculus Link and Air Link is actually really easy when you Google it a bit. Essentially, you will have to install Oculus PC app, then connect your Quest either via USB cable or wireless, and the final result should be that your Quest 2 is successfully detected, and you're able to launch either the regular wired link using USB cable or wireless Air Link, which I personally use. If you're completely new to this, I will leave some links in the video description below to help you get started. Once you have successfully set up either Oculus Link or Air Link in your computer, it's time to actually download and install Minecraft. The easiest way to get Minecraft Bedrock Edition is to go to minecraft.net, get Minecraft, computer, PC, and here you can see the Minecraft Windows 10 edition, which is actually the Bedrock Edition. So I personally signed up for Game Pass, Xbox Game Pass for PC. For a trial period of $1 per month, but you can also buy the game separately, and you should probably opt for the starter collection. When I purchased it from the Xbox Game Pass, I was able to download the Minecraft launcher, which you can see has both the Java edition, which I have a separate video about, but also the Bedrock edition, so both were included in the package. But if you download it from Windows Store, I think it should be available here as well. Let's see. Yeah, that's what I got, but you can also buy it here, for example, for Windows Start Collection. So it's up to you in the end. Once you have downloaded and installed the game, I recommend you to launch it once in regular flat screen mode, simply to log in, which is easier to do on your PC where the passwords are stored and easier to type compared to the headset. So you can see I have logged in here already. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and close the game. So next we're going to address the issue that Minecraft VR client was removed from Oculus Store, and in order to work around it, we're going to create our own launcher. In order to do that, we're going to right click on the desktop, new, shortcut. In the location of the item, you're gonna have to copy and paste the following code. I'm gonna leave it in the video description below so you can copy it easily. Once that's done, let's click next. And the name of the shortcut can be something like Minecraft Bedrock VR, and finish. So that's the client we are gonna use to launch Minecraft in VR, which was previously done via the application that was in the Oculus Store, but now we are going to use our own launcher. As the next step, I've jumped into VR and I'm going to launch an Air Link connection from here. For you, it can be the regular wired link connection. Both methods work for Minecraft. Once I'm in the Oculus Air Link home environment, I'm going to keep the headset turned on and place it on my forehead. And I'm then going to launch the Minecraft VR shortcut that we just created from my PC. Since I have already tested the game, you can see that the Minecraft launcher is actually in the quick launch tab on the left as well. But currently I'm going to do the way you would do it the first time, so I'm going to launch it from my PC. And now you can see that Minecraft has actually started to load in the headset. Since it takes a bit of time, I'm going to mention the fact that I have also created a separate video on how to play Minecraft Java Edition on the Quest 2. If you're interested, a link should appear in the top right hand corner right now. I'm soon also going to cover how you can play Minecraft on the Quest 2 in standalone mode without needing a PC. Once that's done, I'm going to leave a link along with other resources in the video description below. So anyway, here you go. Here's Minecraft Bedrock Edition in VR in its whole glory. If you found the video useful, make sure to leave a like and also consider subscribing to the channel. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.